Okay, class 4th. Let's talk about the work of SST. What is the SST work for you today is reading of lesson number 11, Climate of India. You will read this chapter, and during reading you will find out that weather, climate and seasons, they are having different meanings. Weather is the condition of air of a particular place. Climate is the average weather conditions of a particular place for many years. Means for many years what kind of condition of weather remains there, that is called climate. Like in desert area we are having the dry climate for years. A year is divided into seasons, so pattern is changing of the weather. Seasons are caused by the earth being closer or farther away from sun. Whenever the earth moves near to the sun or going far away from the sun, the seasons are occurring due to that. And generally around the world we found that there are 4 main seasons in a year, and that are spring, summer, autumn and winter. You can find the pictures also what are these seasons. So what is the climate of India? There are 4 main type of climates in India. What we are having 4 main climates, that is winter, summer and then we are having monsoon. So here they have mentioned 3 main parts of the climates. We are saying here winter, summer, autumn and monsoon also. We are celebrating autumn season also. But here they in this book they have mentioned mainly 3 main seasons of India: winter, summer and monsoon. In winter we know that temperature goes down, and during that season we wear jackets, sweaters, scarves, shawls, caps, gloves and other things to protect our body from the cold. And these winter season, this comes in during the months of might be it started from November month and it goes up to February. In our India it started starting in the month of November. So summer season started from April month, and it goes up to July or August month. Right now it's also summer season going on. It's getting too bigger during this, that we are having still summer season, and the temperature sometimes it goes up to 45 to 50 degree also. But people always try to protect themselves from this summer, or we can say from that too much temperature also. And the wind which blows in these days in summer season, this is called Loo. And one more thing special about the summer season, during the summer season the climate in the mountains, that means in hilly areas, remains same. And that means they are not having that summer type, or they are not having so much hotness over there. That remains cold in the mountains, or we can say in the hilly areas. Next we are having monsoon also. Monsoons means when the rainy days going to be start, and the first state which receive rain is Kerala. And here they have mentioned about that, and they have shown the pictures also, that what kind of conditions. Sometimes it is getting flooded areas. We can see that things in our news also. हमें न्यूज़ में भी अभी दिखाते हैं कि यहाँ पे बारिश हुई है, यहाँ पे पानी भर गया है, यहाँ पे रास्ते ब्लॉक हो गए हैं. तो that is just because of due to heavy rain. So you will also try to read all this chapter number 11. It's not too much long, it's of only 2.5 pages. You will read this and you will attempt this question answers, this picture question answers, apply it, and after that you will do your part A, part C true false, part D match the columns, and part F crossword. First one is tick one the out, that is odd, जो सबसे अलग है उसको आपने टिक करना है या सर्कल करना है. Here it is true false. Similar kind of weather never remains here, always changes. And coldest place is Dras. We know that you can find it in the book also. So according to this you have to mention here, is it true or false. Now here you have to match this column A with column B by mentioning these 1 2 3 4 number after these. Whichever the right answer, you will mention that number behind this. Don't match with lines, please. And last one is crossword. The coldest place, Dras. Hot wind blowing during the summer, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, लू. First state in India receives rainfall, Kerala. Protects us from rain. What we are taking when rain comes, umbrella. So this is your work for today of SST. Thank you.